Hello? Hello, 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 hello. Is anybody out there? Today, we have something very special. We are going to be making a quesadilla, but it's going to be very good or very bad. I mean, come on, guys. It's me cooking. I can mess up cooking an egg. So, yeah. Before you guys watch the video, be sure to check out my new original song, Galactic Party, featuring Kasane Teto. I'm becoming an idol this year. I'm picking up the spatula and picking up the mic. I hope you guys enjoy the song. I hope you guys enjoy my quesadilla today. Please leave a comment and let everybody know if you guys think this is going to be a success or a failure. It's not gonna be a failure. By the way, I'm gonna delete every comment that says it's a failure. Just you watch. Oh my god, today's a good day to go out and sell some fentanyl. What? No, don't worry about it. Y'all know why I'm trying to be better? Because I realized that my producers watch my streams. I'm trying to pretend like I'm not a freak. All VTubers are freaks. What stuff do you like on your pizza? Chat, I like pineapple on pizza. I'm not gonna lie about it. I'm not gonna fake it. I like pineapple on pizza. All right, let's do this. Guys, aren't you guys so happy I watched the vegetables? Come on, give me credit where credit is due. Y'all, why is this freaking tomato so red? Wait, why is this tomato actually insane? Wow, dude, look, what the freak? Oh my god, that looks like me. What's this bigger than the other? Now, guys, I don't want to alarm y'all. How do I dice a tomato? I'm not kidding. I don't know how to dice a tomato. By the way, chat, I'm gonna call this knife Tony from now on.
Not interested, sir. Anyways, here's how to tell if your sign is cheap.
Why you got crosses on your face? It's because I won't shut up. So somebody, what's it called? Stitch me up. Maybe like this. Chat, y'all know what? I don't care. I'm gonna let it be later Omi's problem. Be careful, Omi. Yeah, don't worry, I got this. Who cares about presentation? This is gonna be chopped up anyways. I'm gonna send this to Haka. Why would you send this to Haka? Also, sharpen Tony. I'm too lazy. Oh my god, Omi can cook. That's what I've been telling y'all. Chat, I would have paid $4 per tomato. Would've. Let's do the onion next. Wait, how do I de-skin this thing? I have to de-skin it, right? That's like the rule. That's too big. I'm not gonna use all of it. Should we use a quarter of this or like half of it? Half? Yay. You know, and that took a while, but we got it done at the end. How about you sharpen your knife? I'm too lazy. The way you cut an onion made me cry. Why y'all hating so much? I cut the butt. Okay, we're gonna use like a quarter today. You need to cut them into super tiny pieces. I'm working on it. Be patient. Chat, be honest. Do you guys believe in me? Or are you guys hate watchers today? Wait, how tiny do I have to make these? Wait, even smaller? Chat, I'm gonna be honest. This is smaller than my penis.
That's what she said.
Yo, I think this is pretty good. Look at this, chat. My eyes! Chat, I'm not crying. You're crying. Hey. All right, what now? Cilantro, right? Wait, so how does cilantro work? I gotta cut off like the stem, right? And then I just gotta mash this baby up. Like, we don't eat this, right? Now I obliterate this. Hey, chat, I heard it was genetic that low-key, some people say cilantro tastes like soap. Is that true? Or is it because those people never brush their teeth so they don't actually know what toothpaste tastes like? Hey, how's this look? Hey, yo! Yo, I'm not gonna lie. I got my cutting method down. It's beautiful. Now let's get some freaking lime on there. Boom! What y'all think? Maybe the full lime or half a lime? We're gonna vote based on what everyone says. Full, half. I'm seeing more half though. Ah, no, I cursed. Get that in there. Okay, y'all, I think low-key that's good. Now, does anyone know how much salt we put? It's like a... That's good, right? Oh, like a pinch? Oh, wait, that was a lot. Now let's mix that baby up. All right, how's that look, chat? Come on, be honest. I feel like today is a successful pico. Come on, give me some credit. I think this looks like a beautiful pico, right? All right, chat. Now, there's actually something that I haven't ever made before, and I low-key need your help. A pepper? No, it's an avocado! I don't know how to cut this thing. Does anybody know? Am I supposed to, like this? Or do I just, like, in half? Okay. No! I mean, if you guys want me to cut it in half, I'm down. It's not cutting. It's not cutting. Do I just... No, the other way. Oh, I feel like it's already too late, chat. All right, let's see. Yippee! We did it, chat! I cut an avocado! Are you guys proud of me? Ha! Uh-oh. Let's go! Yeah! No way you got the seed out like that. That was actually quite impressive, Omi. Thank you. Chat, I got that corazon in me. Rawr! Wait, now how do I get the rest of the avocado out? Just scoop it out. I'm working on it. I feel like I'm getting there. Let's go! Avocado acquired! Whoa! Interesting. What do you mean interesting? Y'all told me to scoop it out. I scooped it out. Y'all are getting mad at me because it worked. Are y'all here to watch me fail? Is that it? You guys are getting mad that I'm succeeding? You're supposed to use a spoon. Oh, wait, I was supposed to use a spoon? Why didn't you guys say so, man? You know, team up, chat. All right, be honest. Are you guys mad that I'm failing so hard that I'm succeeding? All right, everybody, I need some help. What is the step? Do we go meat, cheese, tortilla? Does anybody know? Omi, are you gay? I am not gay! I don't know how many times I gotta defend myself. I'm not gay! How about we just do meat, cheese? No, I feel like if I do that, then the cheese is gonna get stuck to the grill. Actually, no, we'll try that. Heck it. Who cares? That's not a grill. Yo, mama's not a grill. Omi, I have a question. If you ask me if I'm gay, you're banned. Let's get this meat on there, chat. Oh, yeah. Omi, I still have a question. Answer your question. What's your goddamn question, kitty? Are you gay? You're banned! All right, now let's get the cheese on there. This handful is good, right? Wait a little bit more. Okay. All right, cheese time, cheese time. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's the good stuff, baby. All right, let's get the tortilla on there. Do we just slap the tortilla on top? Wait, help a brother out. I actually low-key don't know. Hurry? Okay. Wait, now how do I flip it out? I'm just gonna phone send it. You know what? That's pretty freaking good. You know what? I don't care. There might be a little bit at the bottom. Autism? Look-key, I might have it. Homie, you can't talk to girls. Just because I can't talk to girls doesn't make me not like girls. Let me check the bottom of this. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Yeah, let's turn off the heat. Assembly time, chat. Oh my God, chat. Look at my quesadilla, yo. Let's add the pico. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, hell. Oh, my God. I'm about to bust. I'm about to spread it out over you. Yeah. I'm gonna put some of that creamy freaking avocado all over you. I'm the best. It's so beautiful, chat. I'm gonna cry. This is looking kind of amazing. Everybody take a picture. It's beautiful. Picture time. Oh my God. This picture is actually insane. This is actually top 10 Omi food pictures. Tell me right now, what y'all think of this one? 11 out of 10? Would make Twitter coom his pants? Oh. Ah. 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 Now we gotta fold it. It's hot. Oh, it's not gonna fit. Wait, chat, I put way too many avocados. It looks like an avocado sandwich. Okay, I'm gonna take one out. Yo, I low-key made an avocado sandwich. Holy yeah, dude, there's a lot of avocados in there. Let's take out like 4. What y'all think? Come on, that's freaking good. That is Twitter worthy. Make that sexy, damn it. What do you mean make it sexy? Let's just eat. All right, y'all ready for the moment of truth? Oh, yeah. Okay, it's spilling out, but are y'all ready for the taste test? 3, 2, 1. Oh, my God. I'm not even kidding, y'all. I know that was like hella extra, but this shit was hella good. Imagine a crispy cheese, but it's not sharp. It's a smooth, mild cheese, so you can taste the creaminess, but it's not like a in-your-face cheese taste. Now for the pork, it's super savory. It's super light. None of the flavors are overpowering each other. And then every bite, you get the texture of the pico because I didn't add a lot of salt to it. Hey, y'all want some of it? Say ah! Say ah! Nom, 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 nom. This is the best. I love Mexican food. Y'all ready for me to obliterate the second half? Whoa! go! We did it, chat! That tasted amazing! And if you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys so much. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you guys want more, please sure to check out some of my older cooking videos, cooking collabs. I got a lot of cool stuff in the works. Also, please go check out my original song, Galactic Party with Kasane Teto. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna be an idol this year, but it's not on anybody's bingo card. But it's happening. Be sure to check it out. Leave a comment on it, leave a like, and share the video. Click my videos, buy my merch, watch my song, listen to my song, stream my song. And if you guys would like to buy some of the new merch that's dropping, please go check it out. Bye. Bye.